Horses out, we have Tremendous Itan. Best to begin down on the inside. Sophia's Fortune Bullseye. His storyline is done in port. Then comes Packet, Racket, and Terry Tun. Is the early trailer. We have Bullseye. Baya Baralang Kanehapa. And in second is Sophia's Fortune. Tremendous Itan in third. 4 lengths away in port. Moving up now. Terry Tun, Packet, Racket. And storyline now racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Bullseye. Sophia's Fortune is running by Drell, fighting it out for the lead. 4 lengths away in third, Tremendous Itan. Terry Tun now trying to get closer in fourth. Then comes Storyline and number 4, Packet Racket. Sophia's Fortune this time by about 2.5 lengths. And in second still is Bullseye. And here comes Terry Tun together with his Storyline. We have Sophia's Fortune by only 2.5 lengths. Terry Tun is Storyline joining them on the outside, and as they come down at the last 150, Sophia's Fortune, Terry Tun is Storyline moves up to take the lead. It's now his Storyline by Oralenka. Terry Tun drives back in second, Sophia's Fortune in third. Last 50 meters, his Storyline followed by Terry Tun on the outside, and finally Storyline, Terry Tun, Sophia's Fortune, Packet Racket. Then comes number 3, Bullseye, Tremendous Itan.